You're sitting in a coffee shop. The hum of voices surrounds you. Phones ping. Cups clink. Your mind. It's already half somewhere else. Then you see her. Across the room. She glances your way. Maybe she smiles. Maybe she doesn't. And just like that, your head starts to spin. Does she like me? Was that a sign? Or am I reading too much into it? Again, you're not alone. Most of us do this. We notice something small, a glance, a gesture, and suddenly our mind is a storm. We overthink, we analyze, we chase answers that aren't there. It's exhausting. But what if you didn't have to? What if you could just SEE, not react, not spiral, just observe? That's what this video is about. Not chasing, not solving, just noticing. 11 subtle gestures a woman might show when she secretly likes you. Not to make you act, not to make you guess her heart, but to help you stay calm, clear, present. Because in a world this loud, clarity is enough. If you've ever felt your mind race like this, leave a quiet sign below. Not for us to stand out, but so this video finds someone else who needs a moment to breathe, just like you. Let's start. Sign 1. She touches her hair. You're at a friend's dinner party. She's across the table. You say something. Nothing special. And her fingers drift to her hair, tucking a strand behind her ear, smoothing it down. Once, then again, your mind wants to jump. She's flirting. She must like me. Or maybe she's just fixing her hair. I'm overthinking. Stop. This gesture, it's not a code to crack. It's just a moment. She might be nervous. She might feel seen. Or she might just like her hair to look right. Stoics like Marcus Aurelius remind us, you don't control what others do. You control what you think. Her hand in her hair isn't a puzzle. It's just hair. Being human. Notice it. Let it be. When you see this, try this. Breathe in, slow. Count to 3 in your head. 1, 2, 3. Let the thought pass. You don't need to decide what it means. You don't need to act. Just see. That's enough. What do you feel right now? Take a second. Let's move on. Sign 2. She bites her lower lip. You're at work, talking by the coffee machine. She's listening. Then her teeth catch her lower lip. Just for a second. Your brain lights up. Is she nervous? Attracted? What's happening? It's like a spark, and your mind wants to run with it. Pause. This isn't a signal to decode. It's just her body reacting. Maybe you make her nervous. Maybe she's just thinking. A study from 2020 says, when someone likes you, their body shows small signs of anxiety. Not because they're scared, but because they care. They want to hide it. But their body, it speaks. Seneca, the Stoic, said, we suffer more in imagination than in reality. Don't let her lip bite become a story in your head. Don't build a castle out of it. Or a cage. Just notice. She's human. She feels something. You don't need to know what. Next time this happens, ground yourself. Feel your feet on the floor. Notice the weight of your body. Let her gesture be just a gesture, not a question, not a test. Breathe out. You're still here. You're still calm. What's in your mind now? Hold it lightly. Let's keep going. Sign 3. She smiles a lot. You're at a bar with friends. You tell a story. It's not even that funny, but she laughs. Her eyes light up. She's smiling, more than you'd expect. Your mind starts to race. She likes me, she must. Why else would she laugh? Or maybe she's just being polite. I'm reading this wrong. Stop. A smile isn't a contract. It's not a promise. It's just a smile. Science says when someone feels good around you, their body releases serotonin. It makes them happy. It makes them smile. But that's her moment, not your mission. Epictetus taught us, some things are up to us, some things are not. Her smile, not up to you. Your reaction, that's yours. Don't let it pull you into a spiral. Don't let it make you chase. Just see it. Appreciate it. Let it pass. When she smiles like this, try this. Take one slow breath. Feel your chest rise, then fall. Say to yourself, this is just a moment. Nothing more, nothing less. You don't need to solve it. You're enough, just as you are. What do you notice in yourself? Let's move forward. Sign 4. She subtly touches you. You're walking through a park, talking. She brushes your arm. Maybe it's when she laughs, or when she points at something. It's light, quick, but your mind, it's off to the races. She touched me. That means something. Or it was nothing. I'm overthinking again. Hold on. A touch doesn't mean love. It doesn't mean nothing either. It's just connection. Humans touch to feel closer, to build trust. It's instinct, not a plan. She might like you. She might just feel safe. Either way, it's not your job to figure it out. Stoics teach us to focus on what's ours. Your mind, your calm, your presence. Not her intentions, not her heart. When she touches you, don't let it become a story. Don't let it pull you away from now. Stay here. Stay steady. Try this. When her hand grazes you, notice your breath. Is it fast? Slow? Bring it back. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Let the moment be what it is. No more, no less. You're still you. You're still whole. What's stirring in you now? Let it settle. Let's go on. Sign 5. She mimics your gestures. You're at a team meeting. You lean back in your chair. She does too. You cross your arms. A moment later, so does she. Your mind catches it. Is she copying me? Does that mean something? It's subtle, but it's there. This is mirroring. It's what humans do. When we feel connected, our bodies follow. She might not even know she's doing it. It's not a signal to chase. It's not a game to win. It's just her body saying, I'm with you. In this moment, Marcus Aurelius wrote, look at things as they are, not as you wish them to be. Her mimicry isn't proof of love. It's not a rejection either. It's just a moment of sync. Don't build a story on it. Don't tear yourself apart over it. Just notice. Smile inside. Keep going. When you see her mirror you, anchor yourself. Feel your hands. Rest them on your lap. Let your shoulders drop. Say to yourself, this is just now. No need to chase. No need to doubt. You're here. That's enough. What do you feel? Hold it gently. Let's continue. Sign 6. She dresses up more. You see her at a mutual friend's event. She's different. Her outfit's sharper. Her hair's styled. Maybe her nails are done. Your mind starts to hum. Is this for me? Did she do this because I'm here? Or, she always looks like this. I'm seeing what I want to see. Pause. Her effort isn't a message. It's not a riddle. Maybe she wants to feel good. Maybe she wants to be seen. Maybe it's for you, or maybe it's for her. Either way, it's not yours to solve. It's hers. Her choice. Her moment. Seneca said, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Her bright lipstick, her new dress, they're outside you. Your reaction, that's inside. Don't let it pull you into a maze. Don't let it make you question yourself. See her effort. Appreciate it. Let it be. When you notice her dressed up, try this. Take a slow breath. Feel the air move through you. Say to yourself, she's showing up as herself, not as your answer, not as your puzzle. You don't need to know why. You just need to stay clear. What's in your head now? Let it drift. Let's move on. Sign 7. She adjusts her clothes. You're at a bookstore, browsing together. She tugs at her jacket. Smooth, häsket. It's quick, almost invisible, but you see it. Your mind wants to leap. She's nervous. She wants to look good for me. Or, it's nothing. I'm making it up. Stop. This isn't a sign to dissect. It's just her wanting to feel right. Maybe she's self-conscious. Maybe she admires your calm. Maybe it's just a habit. It's not your job to know. It's not your weight to carry. Epictetus said, Don't be disturbed by things that don't concern you. Her adjusting her clothes, it's hers, not yours. Your peace, that's yours. Don't trade it for a story. Don't lose it to a guess. Just see her. Stay still. When you see this, ground yourself. Feel your breath. In, out. Say to yourself, this is her moment, not mine. No need to analyze. No need to react. You're here. You're enough. What do you notice now? Let it pass. Let's keep going. Sign 8. She asks intimate questions. You're at a friend's game night. Sitting close. She asks, what's something you've always wanted to do? Or, where do you feel most at home? Your mind sparks. She's digging deeper. She must care. Or, she's just making conversation. I'm overthinking. Hold on. A question isn't a vow. It's not a trap either. It's just curiosity. Maybe she wants to know you. Maybe she's just filling the silence. Either way, it's not a test. It's not your job to pass it. Stoics teach us, answer honestly, but guard your peace. Her questions don't own you. They don't define you. They're just words in a moment. Don't let them pull you into a spiral. Don't let them make you chase her approval. Be true. Be calm. When she asks something deep, try this. Pause it. Feel your breath. Answer simply. Don't over-explain. Don't overthink. Say to yourself, I'm here. I'm enough. Let the moment be what it is. No more, no less. What's stirring in you? Let it settle. Let's go on. Sign 9. She maintains eye contact. You're at a concert, talking in the crowd. Her eyes lock on yours. Longer than usual. It's intense. Your mind races. She's into me. This means something. Oh. Or, she's just listening. I'm seeing what I want. Pause. Eye contact isn't a promise. It's not a challenge. It's just connection. She's present. She's open. Maybe she likes you. Maybe she just trusts you. You don't need to know. You just need to be. Marcus Aurelius said, look straight and don't be dazzled. Her eyes, they're not a maze. They're not a mirror for your doubts. Meet her gaze. Stay steady. Don't let it pull you into a story. Don't let it shake your peace. You're here. You're whole. When she holds your gaze, try this. Breathe. Feel your feet on the ground. Look back, calmly. Say to yourself, this is just now. No need to solve it. No need to chase it. Just be present. What do you feel? Hold it lightly. Let's continue. Sign 10. She leans toward you. You're at a cafe, talking across a small table. She shifts, leans in just a little. Her body tilts toward you. Your mind catches it. She's interested. She's drawn to me. Or, it's just a table. I'm overthinking again. Stop. This isn't a code. It's not a trap. It's just her body moving. Maybe she's engaged. Maybe she's just comfortable. Either way, it's not your puzzle. It's not your burden. Seneca said, don't add to what's happening. Her leaning in, it's just a moment. Don't make it a story. Don't make it a weight. Notice it. Appreciate it. Stay grounded. When she leans toward you, try this. Feel your back against the chair. Take a slow breath. Say to yourself, this is her, not me. No need to react. No need to assume. You're here. You're clear. What's in your mind now? Let it drift. Let's move on. Sign 11. She blushes. You're at the office. You pass her in the hallway. You say hi. Her cheeks turn pink. Just for a second, your mind lights up. She likes me. She must. Why else would she blush? Or, it's nothing. I'm seeing what I want. Hold on. A blush isn't a confession. It's not a signal to chase. It's just her body reacting. Maybe you caught her off guard. Maybe she thought of you before you spoke. Maybe it's just warm in here. You don't need to know. You just need to see. Epictetus said, it's not things that disturb us, but our opinions of them. Her blush, it's not your story. It's not your weight. Let it be hers. Let it be light. Smile inside and keep walking. When you see her blush, try this. Breathe in. Feel your chest expand. Say to yourself, this is just a moment. No need to hold it. No need to chase it. You're still you. You're still calm. What do you notice now? Let it pass. These alone signs, they're not a map to her heart. They're not a game to win. They're just moments. Moments to see. Moments to stay present. Not to chase. Not to solve. Just to notice with clarity. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, if you are pained by external things, it is not they that disturb you, but your own judgment of them. These gestures, her hair, her smile, her blush, they're not here to pull you apart. They're not here to make you spiral. They're just life happening. Your job, stay steady, stay clear. Tomorrow, when you see her or anyone, notice, breathe, let your mind rest. You don't need to know what she feels. You don't need to solve her heart. You just need to be you, present, whole. That's enough. If this video helped you pause, even for a moment, come back to it. Not because we told you to, but because you deserve a moment to be still, to be clear, to be you. See you in the next one.